Alright guys, welcome back to another new video. So right here I have this 2009 Chevy Traverse. So I'm getting hot air from the driver side vent, so coming from this one on this one right here, and on the passenger side I'm getting cold air. So I get this blender actuator from AutoZone. So take a look on it guys. So it's for the climate control. This is the box it comes in, the part number, everything on it. So you can see right there the BDA B1217. So that's it right there. So I'm going to show you where it go guys. Alright guys, so it go in this hole right here on this piece, and this is the plug that goes to it. It go right there. So I'm gonna try to see if I can install it guys. So I carry 3 screws. So let me show you that thing is a T20 Torx. Remove it. It's right here. Don't have any mark on it. So I'll try and install it guys and let us see what's going on. Alright guys, so I just get it installed on the vehicle. So make sure when you're catching it guys, make sure this piece, let me show you, make sure this slot right here line up with this long groove, half and half, and I'm gonna select the dial behind it to the center so you can easily catch guys. So that's it right there. So and it's now it's working. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.